Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Green color. The heart is of green color. Such a pretty heart. Yellow color. The triangle is of yellow color. A triangle has 3 equal sides. Orange color. The square is of orange color. The square has 4 equal sides. Blue color. The circle is of blue color. The sun is also a circle. The moon is also a circle. And your face is also a circle. Pink color. The star is of pink color. Red color. The hexagon is of red color. The hexagon has 6 equal sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, green color. Triangle, yellow color. Square, orange color. Circle, blue color. Star, pink color. And hexagon, red color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.